Pacific Islanders are no strangers to challenges. Many coastal communities depend on healthy reefs and mangroves. When these habitats are damaged, fish stocks decline. And when fish decline, people lose food, income, and livelihoods. To survive, people restore reefs. They replant mangroves. They support new jobs like tourism when fishing or farming is no longer enough. These actions are important, but on their own, they only provide relief at the surface. To create real change, we need to act on the causes, not only the effects. So, what lies beneath? Globally, economic systems drive carbon emissions and climate change. Oceans warm, storms are more frequent, sea levels rise, and coasts erode. Locally, a lack of management regulations and their enforcement makes mangroves and reefs vulnerable. Population growth, urban development, and overfishing add more pressure. At the same time, values that support care for nature are being lost, and some voices are left out of decisions about environmental management. Together, these changes result in damage to coastal ecosystems, which hurt the communities that depend on them. To prevent these problems, not just adapt to them at the surface, we need actions that reach the deeper levels. And for that, leverage points are crucial. A group of researchers investigated those challenges. They spoke to people involved in initiatives in the South Pacific that are trying to solve them. These initiatives strengthen legal protection of mangroves and reefs. They push for accountability, so countries, companies, and individuals take responsibility for environmental damage. They work with governments to recognize local and traditional knowledge, and they pass on values of nature stewardship through education and cultural practices. Funders and policymakers play a key role in making sure that actions that treat causes and the ones that treat symptoms are complementary. When we see the world as interconnected, we are able to detect the root causes of the problems we face. Then we can act in ways that do more than treat symptoms. Using tools like the leverage points approach can help reveal how these issues connect beneath the surface and offers a guide for choosing how and where to act.